generateagentleads.com channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to increase your local SEO with a few steps as a real estate agent in 2021, right? So there are some new things that are going on, and it's actually gotten really easy just to rank for some SEO, right, locally. And a lot of agents are not doing these simple things. So we're going to go ahead and talk about it today. So what is SEO and why do I need it? Before I get into all that, let me just put it this way. Everyone needs SEO. It's a long-term thing that's going to get you consistent business, and it is going to pay off tenfold, way more than tenfold over the span of time. Now, a lot of agents are so worried about the short-term game. They completely forget about the long-term game. They're paying Zillow every single month, and then when Zillow's sort of getting out of the business and becoming a brokerage now, what happens, right? There's like your business is pretty much getting held, right? And that's why some agents are so scared, right? So anyways, like according to Wikipedia, search engine optimization is SEO. It is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. SEO targets unpaid traffic rather than direct traffic or paid traffic. Simply put, SEO is your ability to rank on Google searches. Google searches is the highest quality lead according to other videos that we put on our content channels, right? So the better optimized your business is on the SEO side of things, the better chance you're going to have of being discovered without having to pay for traffic. SEO can be a very complicated process that's going to take a general understanding of what Google actually considers when ranking you in a search. And let's just look at today some of the less complicated processes, stuff that's going to cost you. It's not going to cost you $1,000 a month to pay an SEO agency. We're going to go ahead and give it to you today for free of value. So methods of increasing local SEO. Today we're going to go ahead and discuss the following methods that you can implement today on increasing your local and SEO and brand awareness. The first thing is setting up Google My Business, optimizing your Google presence, and playing into Google's algorithm, which is publishing PR content. So how do you set up your GMB account? The process of getting set up with Google My Business is actually pretty easy. It requires a few main steps. Sign into Google My Business is Google. Set up Google My Business, and it will literally take you to a link, probably the first link on the page. You literally walk through the application. You sign in using your Gmail account. Please get a Gmail account if you haven't done so right now. It takes you 5 minutes to set up. Add your business, enter your location, fill in your contact information, finish and manage your listing, and optimize your Google My Business account. Again, this can be done quite easily. It's going to send a postcard to your house. Make sure you just go ahead and log back in when the postcard is to your house, or your business address is a better word to describe it, not your house. But some realtor agents do want to operate out of their house area, as it is easier to access. But anyways, it just has to be where you operate out of business. As a real estate agent, there's not really a single business. It's your mailing address, right? And they'll send a postcard, get it verified, put the code into Google My Business again, and then your account should be verified. So again, optimize your Google My Business presence, right? Once you set up your Google My Business account, your goal should be to always increase visibility. Optimized profile will not have, will only rank higher, but will also have higher perceived value from the person making the search. So think about it. Which profile would make you feel more comfortable giving your business to? The one with 4.4 star rating and 1,850 Google reviews, or Carl's Electric here that doesn't have a business hours or website, right? So again, these small things are huge, right? They're huge when it comes down to everything, right? So it's very important that you address this concern ASAP and you get this optimized. So optimizing my Google My Business presence is it's a concept of a couple things. First thing is claim your listing. This is going to allow you to turn up on Google's map searches. Whoopsies. Basically, you're actually claiming the physical address of your location, right? So office, home, any business location really is you can make it comfortable with public information. This is going to be your first step in optimizing your GMB account. The second thing is your keyword list. You have the option to link certain keywords to your account so that you can show up after certain search terms are met. So examples to use would be terms like realtor, real estate agent in XYZ area, your area's real estate agent, and realtor, right? So there you can actually link keywords. It's pretty simple. The Google My Business area is very easy to navigate. And the categories added is ensure your search selecting relevant categories for your listings is shown. Primary category is a real estate agent. Secondary category is a real estate agency. Service areas, add in all areas that you service to ensure that you are appearing in the appropriate searches. You can add in as many service areas as you'd like, but so just don't miss out anything there. Photos, right? Make sure you add in photos. You have the ability to add photos to represent your business. The types of images you add will actually affect your ability to rank in searches. Google ranking actually is based off of the geotag placed on any photos you have taken and will consider them when ranking your results. So your goal with any photos when uploading to GMB is to ensure geotags are located in and around the address where you selected for your business. The best way to properly ensure geotagging is all mobile phones will automatically add a geotag based on exactly where the photo was taken. If you want to, you can actually add in manually, Google geotags using a third-party software. So if you're working with like VAs in other countries, right, and they're doing this for you, stock imagery, have professional photographers taking photos out of range of your physical location. You can manually geotag this. Just go to www.geoimager.com. When your geotags do not come close to your business physical location, Google sees that as slightly suspicious and will be reluctant to rank your profile. While this may seem redundant, remember that your goal with these accounts is to play into Google's algorithms. Optimize your Google presence. Posting. Google has always tried to create content posting-based platforms as much as social media applications have, right? Remember Google Plus, right? So unfortunately, this one actually never achieved in full, and the mechanisms were instead rolled into GMB profiles. So Google Plus is now the sort of GMB. You have the option to post content based around your business. So you can make posts regarding current recent events. Like I said in another video, you can actually post a video. You can actually post a link to register for a Zoom webinar for first-time home webinar buyers. You can get that link and post it all across your social media. You can also post it on Google My Business. You can post updates. You have the option to allow potential customers to ask questions about your business and respond to them directly from the platform and post your just list and recently sold. Guys, when you are looking at online lead generation to grow your business, you need to go above and beyond, right? So when you're running Facebook ads, a lot of people seeing your name, right? They're coming into your ecosystem. If you have a good system that like ours, a CRM that starts texting, emailing, text messaging, voicemail drops, all that, you name it. If that's coming in, you can best believe that someone's gonna be like, okay, John has been here on my butt to get and buy a home. Let me Google him. Okay, you know what? I just see on his Google post that he is posting all of his listings in the product section. He's also posting this link I see for a first-time home buyers webinar happening on Thursday. Wait, let me actually go see who this John guy is. He's been literally trying to call me for the past 3 months, right? That's how you start, and this is going to start compounding, right? And this is how the top teams do it. Next up is optimize your Google presence. You can also get Google reviews. Google reviews is literally the name of the game. And if you have Google reviews, you are really ahead of the curve, right? Just please focus on one thing: Google reviews. An important aspect of your GMB account that must not be overlooked at all, right? Remember to always ask current and previous clients, family, friends, anyone who's actually willing to speak with you positively. An important aspect of ranking in search results is your Google reviews, right? Again, there's some key factors here. They don't have any reviews. They don't have any updates, right? You can see there's a lot of reviews. There's always going to be some one-star reviews. Some of them are actually fake. You can actually get this appealed by Google, right? You can see all the questions and answers. You can see, everything, their website, appointments, phone number, the Google reviews. Very important to have these small things done because they pay off, 10x, right? So I think the one golden nugget that I'm going to drop today is publish PR content, right? Having PR content published for you is also another great way to build your brand and authority, and also ensuring your ranking in Google search, right? Google searches for high quality links when considering your business for ranking. If you're having high quality content created for you and your business, Google's going to favor this and reward you with the first page ranking. And you're earning high quality links and placements for relevant content ideas to help your site gain link equity and increase keyword rankings, right? Articles published from reputable sources linking back directly to your website. Local news outlets, right? You can use relevant online blogs. Established brands like Forbes, Nick Close is a great article, etc., etc. Not only does it help with ranking, it's going to give you additional content blast to your current database of leads and customers. Let me actually give you some examples of how this can be used. So when all of our customers come and generate leads, we do marketing, right? We do technology. We take over all of that for you as an agent, but we want to make sure that you have the best possible chance of succeeding with online lead generation. So part of that is we publish, press releases with magazines, and you get 2 press releases when you work with us. We only do this is because we want to make sure that when leads that are coming into your ecosystem, they can see you online. They're going to be like, okay, you know what? This person really knows their stuff. So we're going to get you featured in these articles, and it's been doing really well for our agents. So typically these articles outside will cost anywhere from $1,000, $2,000 each. We build it into our pricing and get you in for no charge. It's very cheap, right? So again, because we bring in so many customers, we have some great deals with some PR press release partners, and they're able to get our agents featured in these news articles to help them better serve their own customers as well, right? And then when you have these articles, when we're generating leads for you and building your database, because we have sort of two types of lead sources. We have the bottom of funnel lead sources, which are Google and LSA ads, which is the hottest thing right now. If you still need more information on it, just go ahead and visit our website and via our content, via our YouTube channel. We talk about it. We hype it up a lot because it is really what it is. And Facebook lead gen, which every single agent should be doing to build their database. Every single agent should have thousands of people in their database which they can send video content to, emails, text messages, voicemail drops to, and that is really where you start to blow up your business. So some final thoughts. When developing your own online marketing strategies, you must not rely upon one source and instead diversify your lead sources. If you're running paid ads, take a step back and consider this. Am I doing enough stuff on the organic side of things to offset the cost of my paid efforts? If you're running lead gen right now, you're with another company, or you're trying it yourself and you're not getting results, first of all, before blaming anyone else, take a look at yourself and see, what am I doing on my end? Am I following up enough? Do I have systems? Do I have PR? Because the top agents, they have all of that, right? So again, there's agents here that take their business to the next level with online lead sources, and then some of them, they don't go anywhere, right? So increasing your local SEO is one of the best things any business can do to increase their organic traffic. Most traffic that comes from Google search is actually going to be high quality with intent, right? You need all types of lead sources, in my opinion. That's how you become a top agent. And remember, Google is a directory. People come here in search of answers to their burning questions. We need to get in front of them. We must play into the algorithm if we want to be shown at the top. Getting to the top of this means that the best chance of driving high quality traffic to your business is for absolutely zero cost, right? So Google's a directory, right? They're going to come here. Like I said, people are going to get questions answered. Best realtor in Georgia, best realtor in Orlando, best realtor in St. Petersburg, right? If you're up there and you're posting this PR, right, you're going to give yourself a better chance to become the top agent in that area. So if you found value in this video and you want to go ahead and learn about how we help real estate agents take their business to the next level using online lead generation strategies, and on top of everything, we actually help you convert these leads. We coach you on conversion, which is the most important part. Go ahead to www.generateagentleads.com and schedule a call, all right? Hope you guys found value in this, and see you guys in the next video.